Great morning, students. We are doing our chapter number 7, decimal, and in my previous video, previous exercise 7C, we learned that how we add the decimals. And now in exercise 7D, we learn how to subtract the decimal. So we start. Now our first question is that 27.86 from 53.74. Now first of all, we write the term after from. Here after from, the number is 53.74. Now we have to subtract 27.86 from this. After subtracting, now let us we start. 14 minus 6, 8, 16 minus 8, 8, 12 minus 7, 5, 4 minus 2, 2, and this is our answer 25.88. We also check the answer. 8 plus 6, 14, 8 plus 8, 16 plus 1, 17, 7 plus 5, 12 plus 1, 13, 2 plus 2 plus 1, 5. Now our answer is correct because we check our answer. Now we do the next question number 4, and in this question you have to give on 56.8 from 204. Now here we see that after from we have the number 204, and after 204 there is no decimal part. Decimal part में कुछ भी नहीं है. So first of all we have to convert it into like decimal. Here after decimal we have one digit. So we write here 204.0, and now the next term is 56.8. Because we have to subtract the number, so we put it side. 10 minus 8, that is equal to 2. 13 minus 6, that is equal to 7. 9 minus 5, that is equal to 4, and this is 1. Now this is your answer. Now we do the simplification questions. So let us start. Now in this simplified question, our statement is 75.3 minus 104.645 plus 178.96 and a minus 47.9. Now here we see that our decimals are unlike decimals. So our first step is that we have to convert it into like decimal. So we write here convert into like decimal. Like decimal में इसे convert करना है. तो देखिए, here is a one digit, here is 3, 2 and 1. So maximum number of digit after decimals are 3. So we have to convert it into like decimal. 75.300 minus 104.645 plus 178.960 minus 47.900. Now we have to collect the like terms, same sign numbers. This is positive and this is also positive, this is negative and this is also negative. So here we write 75.300, 178.960. These both of numbers are having the positive sign. So we put here positive symbol and add these numbers. 0, 6, 9 plus 3, 12, 8 plus 5, 13 plus 1, 14, 7 plus 7, 14 plus 1, 15 and 1 plus 1, 2. Now our answer becomes 254.260. Now we add these two negative numbers. Now the first negative number is minus 104.645 and the next number is 47.900. Now we add these two negative numbers because they are having the same sign, and when we have the number same sign we have to add these numbers and putting their negative sign. So here 5, 4, 9 plus 6, 15, then 1 carry, 7 plus 1, 8, 8 plus 4, 12, 1 carry, 4 plus 1, 5, and this number is 1 minus 152.545. Now we have to do the simplification. This number is a positive, this number is a negative. Now both of are they having the different sign, so we subtract the number. So we write here 254.260 minus 152.545. Now we subtract the number. 10 minus 5, 5, 5 minus 4, 1, 12 minus 5, 7, 3 minus 2, 1, 5 minus 5, 0, 2 minus 1, 1. And this is our answer. Clear this one? Now we do the statement questions. Now our next question is, what should be subtracted from this? इस नंबर में से हम क्या सब्ट्रैक्ट करें कि हमारा नंबर ये आए? तो देखिए, जो हमें गेट करना है वो नंबर स्मॉलर है और जो दूसरा नंबर है वो हमारा बिगर है. तो जब भी हम सब्ट्रैक्शन करते हैं तो हम बिगर नंबर में से स्मॉलर नंबर को सब्ट्रैक्शन करते हैं. So let us be write here, let the subtracted number that is equal to x. तो according to question हम स्टेटमेंट राइट डाउन करेंगे 7.3 minus x that is equal to 0.862. यानी कि इस नंबर में से हमने x सब्ट्रैक्ट किया, then we get this answer. अब ये माइनस साइन है, इस साइड जाएगा तो ये पॉजिटिव हो जाएगा, एंड दिस साइन व्हेन कम्स दिस साइड देन इट विल बी नेगेटिव. सो वी राइट हियर 7.3 minus 0.862 that is equal to x. Now these are unlike terms, तो इसे like में कन्वर्ट करेंगे. Here is 3 digits after decimal, so we write here 7.300 and 0.862. Minus किया, after subtracting we get 10 minus 2 8, 9 minus 6 3, 12 minus 8 4, and this is 6. So we write here this is the value of the x. ये x की वैल्यू आई है, and we write here subtracted number that is equal to 6.438, and this is our answer. Clear this one? Now we do the next question. In question number 20, the statement is that Kunal purchased a notebook for rupees 19.75, a pencil for rupees 3.85, and a pen for rupees 8.35 from a book shop. यानी कि बुक शॉप से कुणाल ने ये इतने रुपए की चीजें खरीदी हैं. He gave ₹50 note to the shopkeeper. उसने शॉपकीपर को 50 रुपये का नोट दिया. What amount did he get back? तो बताइए उसको कितने रुपए वापस मिलेंगे. Now here cost of the notebook rupees 19.75, cost of pencil 3.85, and cost of pen that is equal to rupees 8.35. अब यहाँ पर हमें राइट करना है टोटल कोस्ट कितने रुपीज आ गई है. जब भी टोटल करना होता है वी हैव टू ऐड दीज नंबर्स. तो हमने नंबर्स को ऐड किया 5 + 5 10 + 5 15, 1 कैरी 7 + 1 8, 8 + 8 16 + 3 19, 1 कैरी 9 + 1 10, 10 + 8 18, 18 + 3 21, and 2 + 1 3. तो टोटल कॉस्ट आ गई 31.95 रुपीज. He gave to shopkeeper. उसने शॉपकीपर को रुपीज दिए ₹50। अब देखिए डेसिमल पार्ट नहीं है एंड वी नो दैट इन 1 रुपी वी हैव 100 पैसा, तो 2 0 लगा दिए। कॉस्ट ऑफ टोटल कॉस्ट हमारी जो आई है वो है दैट इज इक्वल टू ₹31.95। शॉपकीपर रिटर्न शॉपकीपर गिव बैक रुपीज। कितने रुपए वापस देगा तो माइनस करेंगे। 10 - 5 5, 9 - 9 0, 9 - 1 8, 4 - 3 1, यानी कि 18 रुपीज 5 पैसे जो शॉपकीपर है वो कुणाल को रिटर्न करेगा। क्लियर दिस वन? नाउ आई होप you understand that how we subtract the decimals numbers and how we solve the statement questions of decimal. Thank you and have a nice day.